Welcome to SWAPP. In this video, we'll be discussing how to do list stock taking in SWAPP. After successful login to the menu page and the stock taking main menu, we have list stock taking selected and user will be navigated to the list stock taking page. Here we have a scanner field for scanning the list number and a table in which all the list that is already being prepared in the desktop application for doing the stock taking will be displayed. Let's try to choose a particular list number. Either by clicking on a row or by scanning, it can be selected. Just click on one of the list number and user will be navigated to the details page of the selected list number. Here, we had two items coming under the selected list number that is present in a table, and then we have a scanner field where three different methods of scanning: direct scanning, manual entry, and camera scanning possible, and user can choose any one of these three to scan for a pallet item here on a pallet. Now let's try to choose all the items in the list. As you can see here, only if at least one item is selected, the confirm button will become active. Let's click on confirm and user will be navigated to the details of the selected item, and user can navigate through the different items that we have selected by using the next and previous button. And in the end, there is a summary also available. User has the provision to change the quantity here. Then we have print pallet checkbox. This is a parameter setting in desktop application. If it is configured there, by default, this would have been selected. And in SWAPP, user can check it or uncheck as required. Keeping this checkbox selected will schedule an auto print once this process is completed. So if the quantity has to be changed, that can be done. And if you see here, in location data that is populated here, we have an highlightation indicator, and there inside that a number is being shown. If such kind of indications are present, this means that this is a node pallet handling item and it is present in more than one location, and how many be the number of locations in which that is present is the numeric value shown here. And the next item that is chosen, that is not valid, which doesn't satisfy the criteria for location indication. So user can change the quantity, then either click on navigate and change it together here, and then click on the summary and confirm all data all together, or else just by staying in the same page, you can click on confirm and that indeed is gone. Then this will be taken to the next item page where again we can confirm, or else together we can confirm inside the summary page. So as you can see here, one item is already confirmed, that's why it is grayed out. The other one we can confirm. And here is a plus symbol available. It is a plus button in cases where we do the list of taking. If a fresh pallet is being identified which is not listed under any item, then we can do a instant stock taking for the same. Or how to do that is click on this plus button. Here we need to say under which item we had to include the freshly found pallet. We need to scan an item number here. Let's try to have it under this item. Then click on plus button. Specify how much is the quantity in the newly found item. Let's give it as 12. The location in which that is present, or which it has to be present, where it is present we can mention. The position can be given if required. Click on confirm and a fresh pallet is created with the pallet number. By using this back button, user can navigate to the back page and he can confirm. So the record is updated and you can see that we had three numbers listed, and since that full list was completed by stock taking, it is deleted and only the pending list will be shown here. And as you can see, if we confirm one of the value and there are remaining items to be checked or has to do the stock taking purpose, Only those items can be edited and the other one cannot be clicked or selected. This is how we do list stock taking in SWAP. Thank you for watching.